Struggling to see those tiny details while painting your miniatures? Here are the 5 best options I've found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Mini LED Lights by FNH MSL. We have the Mini LED Lights by FNH MSL, priced at just $9.99. What caught my attention was their versatility for miniature displays. If you want to add brilliant accents to your collectibles, this is worth a serious look. These mini LED lights deliver ample illumination, perfect for highlighting everything from collectible figurines to model kits. With a runtime of 2 to 3 hours on a single battery and even 4 to 6 hours with a spare, you won't be left in the dark during those long painting sessions. Each light is compact, smaller than a finger, making them easy to place anywhere you need. Now, some people complained about the brightness not being sufficient for very detailed work. Here's the thing though, for most miniatures, the illumination is more than enough to see what you're doing without any strain. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking to enhance your display with minimal hassle. Skip this one if you need something that casts a more intense light for very intricate details. For just $9.99, you can't go wrong here. Now, if you're looking for even more compact options, the next product takes a different approach with its even smaller size.
Product number 2. Miniature LED Lights by BTFO. We have the Miniature LED Lights by BTFO at an even lower price of $6.39. The sheer quantity you get is what really grabbed my attention. 10 lights plus extras. If you want an affordable way to light up various projects, look no further. These tiny lights are perfect for anything from dollhouses to festive decorations. With a warm white glow, they create a cozy atmosphere while adding visibility to your miniatures. Each light is easy to activate, just twist to loosen the cover and you're set. And with 10 pieces, you have plenty to light up an entire scene. However, some users mentioned that the battery life could be better, but honestly, at this price point, you're getting a solid deal, even if you have to swap batteries occasionally. This is perfect for you if you're working on multiple small projects or just want to add a little glow to your miniature displays. Skip this if you need a high-intensity light, but for $6.39, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for precision work. Product number 3. 10x Magnifying Glass by Rocky Dig Pro. The 10x magnifying glass with light and stand from Rocky Dig Pro is definitely an upgrade. What caught my eye was the built-in LED and flexible gooseneck design. If you're working on intricate details, this is worth a serious look. This magnifying glass not only magnifies, but also has 5 color modes and stepless dimming, allowing you to tailor the light to your specific needs. The 10x magnification lets you see the tiniest details up close, which is essential for painting miniatures. Plus, the hands-free design means you can keep both hands free to work, a huge plus when you're dealing with those fine brushstrokes. Now, some people said the clamp wasn't sturdy enough for their workbench. Here's the thing though, as long as you have a suitable surface, it holds up quite well, and the flexibility is a game changer. This is perfect for you if you really care about precision in your miniature painting. Skip this if you're looking for something more portable or budget-friendly. For the level of detail it allows, the $29.98 price is justified. Now, if that one feels a bit too complex for your needs, let's look at something simpler. Product number 4, Ultra Long Magnifying Glass by KUVRS. We have the ultra-long 3-section arm 12x magnifying glass from KUVRS at $37.99. The standout feature here is the extra long reach, which I found super helpful for larger workspaces. If you want flexibility and power in one tool, this one's a serious contender. With its 12x magnification and LED light, you can really see what you're doing, whether you're painting or assembling models. The 3-section arm allows you to position it exactly where you need light and magnification without hassle. Plus, the removable helping hands are a lifesaver when you need that extra grip for fiddly parts. However, a few users mentioned that the assembly can be a bit tricky, but honestly, once you get it set up, it's fantastic for a variety of tasks.
This is perfect for you if you often work on larger projects or want a setup that can adapt to multiple uses. Skip this if you need something compact and easy to store. At $37.99, it's an investment, but the value is clear. Now, if you're looking for something simpler and more compact, check out our final option.
Product number 5, LED Desk Lamp by Hfundi. We have the LED Desk Lamp by Hfundi, priced at $24.99. Its adjustable eye-carrying design caught my eye immediately. If you want a straightforward solution for a lot of lighting needs, this is worth considering. This lamp offers 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels, letting you customize the lighting for your painting or crafting session. The adjustable arm allows you to direct light exactly where you need it, which is fantastic for detailed work. Plus, it's energy efficient, so you won't break the bank on your electric bill. That said, some users found it a bit bulky for small workspaces. But honestly, if you need a solid desk lamp that can transition between different tasks, it's worth the footprint it occupies. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable light source for various crafting tasks. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra compact. For $24.99, it's a great value for the quality. Now, let's wrap this up and compare all these options. To sum it all up, if you're looking for compact options, the miniature LED lights by FNHMSL and the miniature LED lights by BTFO are great low-cost choices. For more precision, the 10x magnifying glass by RackyDig Pro is a fantastic pick, while the ultra-long magnifying glass by UKVRS offers unmatched flexibility. Lastly, the LED desk lamp by Hfundi is perfect for those who need an all-around lighting solution. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the 10x magnifying glass because it offers the best balance of functionality and detail work.